Gentlemen, ladies, my friends and colleagues in the world of TIBCO, this is Jason again, here to bring you another TIBCO video tutorial. Let's switch gears today and let's talk about EMS topics. EMS stands for Enterprise Message Service. This is a little bit more advanced than the regular tutorials I've been putting out. Today I'll talk to you about how to create a destination bridge. A destination bridge is a channel between two JMS destinations. So suppose you have a topic in your EMS server and then a queue, and then any message that arrives in the topic you want it to be forwarded to the queue. In order to do that, you would create a destination bridge. So this might not make sense to a lot of you guys because this is a very advanced topic. I encourage you to watch my previous tutorial on how to send and receive JMS messages prior to watching this video. So for those of you who are already TIBCO professionals learning EMS, this will be a very good tutorial and very useful tutorial for you. So we're going to create a destination bridge in EMS between a topic and a queue. That's what I'll show you, and I have to go a little bit quickly here because this might take because this requires a lot of steps. So let's move on to our TIBCO Designer tool. This is from a previous tutorial here where I have a receive JMS queue messages process. I have a JMS queue receiver that listens for the queue on the queue.sample topic. The queue. So what we're going to do, follow along with me and let's create another process here. Add resource, process definition, and I'm going to call this one publish JMS topic message. And I'm going to have this process, as the name says, publish a topic message. Add a JMS topic publisher. Give a reference to the JMS queue to the JMS connection resource that we created earlier, and we're going to have this guy published to the topic.sample topic. And it's going to publish something easy here. What's up, everyone? Okay. Alright, very simple. It's going to publish a topic message to EMS. Very simple thing. We gotta make sure that EMS is started, so let's go to your services and let's start that. For those who think I'm going too fast, just pause the video, don't worry, okay? So I started my EMS, and then I'm going to run this little fella here. I'm going to run it along with the receive JMS queue messages, and I'll show you that they will not be interacting with each other. So let's go to the tester. Let's run and clear all. Let's go to JMS, publish, and the receive. I'm going to run these two. Load selected, and then I'm going to create a job for this guy here, the JMS publish JMS topic message. There you go. You see, as you can see, it published a message to EMS. However, notice that the receive JMS queue messages did not pick it up because there's no channel between the topic and the queue right now. We have to create a destination bridge. If you want messages going to the topic, going to the queue as well, you need to create a bridge between the two. And how do we do that? Let's get that done. Go to the Start menu, All Programs, TIBCO, EMS. You have to have EMS installed. I have EMS 5.0. You might have a different version. Whoops, I tried to move the folder. Sorry about that. Shows you I don't rehearse these things. Sorry. Go to EMS 5.0 and start EMS administration tool. Get that? This will let you do some administration work. So here, type connect, and that connects you to your local server if you don't specify the server. Your login name, the default is admin, so you can just press enter. And the password, the default password when you first install EMS is blank. So here we're going to type help create to see how do you create a bridge. So here you go. Here's your syntax. All you have to do is follow that syntax. Okay? So the syntax is create bridge source. The source is is a topic. Let's move this down a little bit. So the source is a topic, and then it's a colon in the syntax there. The name of the topic is topic.sample. All right, and then target equal to the type is Q and colon, and it's QUE dot sample. Okay, and you can also put a selector, but we're not going to put a selector on this one. You can read about destination bridging in the EMS documentation. We're just going to create a simple bridge right here. So notice create bridge source is topic, and the name is topic.sample, and the target is a Q, and the name is Q.sample. So let's run that. There you go. Bridge has been created. Let's see. Let's take a look at what has been created here. Go to your C drive. Go to TIBCO. I better pick up the pace or YouTube's gonna reject this video. It's gonna be too long. So go to EMS, go to 5.0, go to bin, and then you will take a look at your bridges.conf. If you're using a newer version of EMS, it'll be in a different location, your conf files. Here, as you can see, it now has a bridge called from topic sample to Q sample. Now that we have that bridge, let's go back to our designer. And now, let's stop this and let's see. So our expectation here is that when we send a message to the topic, it'll be forwarded to the queue. So let's see if that happens. So I'm going to run these two processes again. I'm going to publish a topic to topic.sample, and let's see what happens. There you go. It published a message to the topic, and then this guy woke up because the message was forwarded using a bridge, and then this guy here, the JMSQ receiver, picked it up. So, my friends, I'm sorry for the very, very rushed nature of this video because there was a lot to show, and YouTube only lets me do 10 minutes or less. So, review this, pause it if you need to. I hope this has been very helpful to you. This is how you create a destination bridge in TIBCO Enterprise Message Service. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful and pleasant day. This is Jason Semiliano from Smarter Incorporated. Take care.